Then what are the main components of the universe? In general terms, the universe consists of a vast emptiness called space with unknown boundaries. You know, my dear friends, the universe consists of a vast emptiness called space with unknown boundaries, having matter and energy in various forms. So this is space science. You know, my dear friends, in what forms does matter exist in the universe? Matter means a substance. Exists in the form of stars, planets, comets, satellites, meteors, asteroids, galaxies, etc., which are all called as heavenly bodies. In what forms does energy manifest in the universe? Energy manifests in the form of heat. Here, energy manifests in the sense the heavenly bodies are visible, and in the form of heat, light, X-rays, microwaves, gamma waves, radio waves, etc. The heat and light from the sun is part of energy we can easily feel through our senses, which is solar energy, my dear friends. Solar energy. Other forms of energy can be detected only through instruments. Does the universe remain steady and unchanging? The universe is constantly changing the passage of time. What is a star, my dear friends? A star is a massive heavenly body which emits enormous quantities of energy and appears to be glowing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So stars are twinkling. You know, my dear friends, which star is the nearest to the earth? The planet Earth, the Mother Earth, the moon. Our planet Earth is having our own planet, that is the moon, Chandrama. Chandrama, the moon. Which heavenly body means it is only the nearest to the earth, which is moon, is the satellite of Mother Earth, planet Earth. What do you mean by the solar system? The solar system refers to the sun and the various heavenly bodies which orbit around the sun. The family of the solar system, the inner planets and the outer planets. In between the inner and outer planets, there is an asteroid belt. We will discuss later. So these things are possible to see with the powerful, what is that instrument, which is Hubble telescope. Space study and observation using sophisticated instruments like Hubble telescope. Hubble, a scientist who discovered the powerful, sophisticated instrument through which you can observe the whole space. The study of space science is possible by the sophisticated instruments like telescopes. One of the extraordinary telescope is Hubble telescope. Which is the biggest star, my dear friends? Biggest star is Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is the biggest star in the universe. And there are another important questions, which are heavenly bodies, like, what is a planet then in the solar system? A planet is a major heavenly body that moves around the sun. For example, Earth is a planet, and so are Venus is another, Mars, etc. At present, we are studying only 8 planets. In those our good old days of our ancient days, we were studying 9 planets. Navagrahagalu. Nava means 9. Nikhila. Today we are giving importance only the 8 planets in the solar system, and the Pluto is the farthest planet in the solar system. It is called as a dwarf star now. So, the natural satellite is Moon, as we know that. So, my dear friends, the smallest star in the galaxy. And you know, what are galaxies? Galaxies are the clusters of stars. The sun and the solar system are part of cluster called the Milky Way. Galaxy visible as a cloudy white area in the night sky, commonly called Akasha Ganga. See, this is the largest known stars in the universe. All are this one, out of which we are seeing here the Betelgeuse. This is the Betelgeuse and the UY scat. These are so far they are considered as the largest known stars in the universe. Now this is nebula. What is nebula? A nebula, plural form is nebulae or nebulas, is a vast cloud of gas and dust floating in the space. It is usually detected in the night sky as a bright or dark patch against the background of stars. This is the nebula. In this image of nebula, Carina nebula, you can spot tiny yellow and white dots inside the dust clouds. Those tiny dots are newly formed stars. Credit goes to NASA, University of Colorado. See, next coming to the galaxies. Galaxies are the very important. What is a galaxy? Galaxy is a group of stars. That is called a galaxy. Group of stars is called a galaxy. You know, my dear friends, there are around 100 billion galaxies are there in the Brahmanda, the universe. In this universe. Stars are not evenly distributed in the universe. They occur in clusters called galaxies. Clusters, group of stars. Clusters means the group of stars. There are countless galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy consists of billions of stars and other heavenly bodies held together by gravitational force of attraction or repulsion. They also contain nebulas in which new stars are forming. Stars are forming and stars are dying. That means life cycle of star is a countless infinite time. Galaxies are different shapes and sizes. Many of them are elliptical galaxies. Some look off like rings, while others look like spirals with arms coming out of the central band. There are yet others that are irregular or do not have a clearly defined shape. That means different shapes of galaxies. These galaxies are named Akasha Ganga, Andromeda Galaxy, Cigar Galaxy, Sombrero Galaxy, Whirlpool Galaxy, Cartwheel Galaxy, Pinwheel Galaxy, Phoenix Cluster Galaxy, Andromeda Galaxy, so which is very near to the solar system, my dear friends. You see, every dot, every speck of light, that is a star. And these stars in a galaxy, 10 million stars are there in some of the galaxies. So this is very, very astonishing, and it is a wonderful thing in the universe is taking place. Now the Milky Way. We are in the central disk of a spiral galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy, Akasha Ganga. This you can see, my dear friends. What we see of our galaxy when we look up to the sky is a faint whitish band stretching across the sky from one end to the another end, from alpha to omega, from east to west, or from north to south of the crystal clear sky. If you see in the dark night, you can see the Brahmanda, the light of magnificent light of stars. Those stars indicates the direction of traveling on those days in the voyage of sea voyages, directs the direction from one place to another place. Coming to the galaxies, as I told you, Andromeda Galaxy, Cigar Galaxy, Sombrere Galaxy, Cartwheel Galaxy, etc. Ursa Minor, a little bear, is situated opposite to Ursa Major, a big bear. Unlike the Big Dipper, also contains an asterism of 7 main stars, in this case known as the Little Dipper. Unlike the Big Dipper, however, just 3 of the Little Dipper stars are bright, namely Polaris, Kochab, and Perkar, and you will need a dark night sky to see all 7 stars clearly. Polaris A, Polaris B, Polaris AB, etc. Well, friends, this is the brief introduction given to the so-called astronomy. This astronomy is a special branch of science, comes in physics. You can come across so many things in the astronomy. In forthcoming classes, we will see the important things: universe, stars and galaxies, light years, solar system, planets, stars, meteors, asteroid belts, meteorites, eclipses, then other things along with the Big Bang theory in the forthcoming classes. If you are like our classes from VVSMA Academy, School of Arts and Science, this is the world of space science, the universe. Like our VVSMA Academy classes on astronomy. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Your comments are appreciated. Let us grow together. This is VVSMA Academy, a School of Arts and Science. And at the same time, these troubles and tribulations of Corona